Hello everyone, I am Nurfara Safina. I will explain about the primary and also the secondary persona. About the apps that we created, which is Evernote. So firstly, I will explain about the primary persona. Okay, so I will explain about her background first. This is Nur Fasiha, our first client. Fasiha is an undergraduate student in software engineering who demonstrates exceptional leadership, creativity, and problem-solving skills. She aims to get better at managing her time, organizing her studies, and getting ready for tests. She is committed to use efficient tools and tactics to accomplish her goals, even in the face of the obstacle like procrastination and maintaining organization. Okay, so her goals is to enhance study organization and time management, to improve her exam preparation and retention of knowledge. Lastly, is to access study materials and resources in one place. What she needs is an easy to use interface with simple access, the study schedule and reminder for exam and upcoming deadlines, and also availability of customized materials including notes, summaries, and practice tests. Okay, what challenges that she faces by having trouble keeping to organize her tasks, having trouble locating quality learning materials, and also procrastinate and lack of motivation to stick to study plans. Okay, so next I will move to the secondary persona. Okay, this is Umairah Sharafana. Okay, I will talk about the background. She is a university student trained in a creative discipline like art and literature, where her imagination and expressive abilities shine. However, she struggles with STEM studies, particularly with math. She often procrastinating an assignment and also task preparation. She feels the strain of last minute cramming which impact her performance and also confidence. So about the goals, what she wants is to overcome her procrastination, to achieve a better grades and also to balance her academic and also curriculum with a flexible schedule. What she needs, a flexible schedule that adapts to her busy life, and reminder for assignment and tasks to stay on track. She also needs a short and manageable study session that fits into limited free time. Okay, so for the challenges, she struggles with STEM subjects, especially for maths, procrastinate on assignment and task preparation, the balance, a busy schedule with academics and extracurricular. She experienced low confidence due to the poor test results. So that's all for the persona. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. So today I will present to the slide of Evernote and Smart Study app. So this is our team members. Evernote is a note-taking and task management application developed by its corporation. It is for creating notes with photos, audios, and saved content. Evernote has several advanced features that most other note-taking apps don't have. Evernote is available online for all Android, iOS, macOS, and Windows. So the flaws and weaknesses we found based on design principle for Evernote app, Evernote is um, we have three types of principle that we found. And the first one is Don Norman's design principle. And one of the Don Norman design principle we found is affordances. Some icons and buttons may not clearly indicate their functions, which can confuse users. For example, users may not understand that a particular symbol is for sharing or exporting notes without prior experiences. For example, for new users who are not really familiar with technologies or um, note-taking app in particular may not know the functions of each symbols on this left side, the interface. Thanks. So the negative effect that could happen if the icon and button do not clearly indicate their function, user may hesitate to click on them, fearing that they might disrupt their work or perform an intended action. So the improvement that we've made is we redesigned the icon to be more intuitive and descriptive using labels or clearer imagery, so it can help users understand their function at a glance. So next, principle we use is Benson 8 golden rules of interface design. So one of them is consistency. While Evernote generally maintains consistent interface, some features, for example, website and mobile experiences may vary significantly, so it can cause confusion among users who been using Evernote uh, when who switch between platforms. For example, here I've put the interface of the Evernote website, so you can see the buttons that are displayed on the website and the features they put. This is the interface of the application, which you can see they are very different from each other. So the negative effect of this inconsistency, it can disrupt user expectation and lead to mistake or delays when performing tasks. So the improvement we have made, we align core features and functionalities across web and mobile platforms to ensure user can perform essential tasks regardless of the device. So the overall design what we can see is the layout. We use grid system to ensure alignment and spacing throughout the application, make notes, scratchpad, and tags in their own unique section to facilitate structure and easy navigation. Displaying the sidebar for easy access for user to important function like search, bookmark, calendar, and other features. So the image we use is high quality image for Evernote identity, for example, the icon and the logo. Next is the color and typography that we use. Green and white color for Evernote branding, including other clean and modern color palette. So we use formal font to enhance readability and maintain the appearance. The elements we use is the button and component with clear navigation to boost user engagement for Evernote. Seamless transitions between screens is for a smooth user experience. The input methods of Evernote is text input. User can arrange, edit, and search their typed notes across notebooks for convenient access at any moment. It can allow user to attach and store various file types such as PDF, Word documents, images, and spreadsheets. These features make it easy to centralize important materials. Next, it can allow user to write notes manually using a stylus or their fingers on touchscreen devices, for example, tablets or even iPad. This approach is very helpful for creating charts, graphs, and spontaneous free-form notes on ideas. Next is the functional elements authentication and user management functionality or creating new account login via Apple, Google, or email, personalization, more options to customize the user experience, for example, user preferences for challenges or etc. So provide clear guidance for the first-time user. For the navigation, we have created various types of side panel with icon for access to the primary app section. For example, the home page, the calendar, the search bar, the task buttons. And for next, we move to data elements. We put a user profile data, which include email, phone number, and username, and task and note data which have book title, attachment, and body. Calendar data task that is integrated with dates for easy scheduling and organizing. So this is the evaluation. The results of this is 85.5%. So in conclusion, our study comparison analysis and prototype creation have exposed the important improvements that may be made in improving the Evernote usability and user experience. We created a prototype that shows significant improvement in usability and interaction by recognizing important design issues, fixing them with simple fixes, and following accepted standards of design. That's all from me. Thank you.